sim track.
Es passiert noch nichts, Lisa. Ganz gut.
We'll begin with the capability test to see how your vehicle designs perform under challenging weather and surface conditions.
Monitoring road surface.
Connecting to OnStar.
SIM car performance data acquired.
Ganz ruhig, Lisa. Das war einfach nur Bremstest.
Let's see how your designs hold up now.
Commencing SIM car off-road and extreme weather sequence.
Da ist doch gar nichts passiert. Ganz ruhig. Es war einfach nur beschleunigen.
Ja, schon genug.
Capability test results displayed and verified.
Now let's see how your vehicles compare when it comes to their efficiency.
Scanning SIM card for optimal eco-efficiency. Engaging eco-scan for aerodynamic efficiency. Drive systems analysis. Hyperspectral imaging in progress. Calculating total enviro impact.
Haha, so nämlich.
Commencing responsiveness test.
Okay, the responsiveness data is now being synchronized.
Automated driving technology verified and active. Crash avoidance technology disengaged. Displaying responsiveness data.
Here comes the final test.
Energizing for power
Ja, jetzt
test.
kommt der Außenfahrer. So, das war's jetzt schon, Lisa.
Displaying power test results.
Das bessere Auto hat gewonnen.
SimTrack performance testing complete.
This concludes your performance testing. You'll be able to see how your Chevrolet custom concept vehicle designs compared with the sim car after you disembark. Please watch your step as you exit, and remember to take all your personal belongings with you.